Spacious condo on top 4th floor with incredible views of the woods from living room and primary bedroom. New windows and slider will be installed starting in September. Already paid for. Secure foyer leads to elevator and up to the 4th floor. Left to first unit. When you open the door you immediately see the outside woods through your window. Living room, with crown molding, and hallway freshly painted. Kitchen features white cabinets and all the appliances including a full-size washer and dryer. Spacious primary bedroom and full bath plus walk-in closet. Conveninet half bath. Balcony has access off living room and primary bedroom.Heated underground parking included, 1 spot. Also storage locker. Lake Villa offers a separate guest suite off the lobby for visiting guests, plus a library. Amenities for living in Parkview Hills include clubhouse, indoor, outdoor pool, jacuzzi, game room, exercise room, tennis and pickle ball courts. Martel's restaurant walking distance.